Guys, it's crazy, but I can't find laundry again. In Indonesia, hard to find the laundry. Guys, I don't know why, but laundries in Indonesia almost always locates in some like streets like that. So there are no laundry.
Laundry,
Yeah,
laundry.
yeah.
Baca.
Yeah, I'll walk. I see.
Oh iya.
Yeah, this and left. Ah, thank you. Oh, wow. Oh my god, kitty, guys. Yeah, you see, but laundries located on these small streets, but it's interesting to walk on the streets to see how people live. Wow, it's woman cat. Huh? I'm looking for the laundry. No, laundry.
Laundry can you this that stair.
Ah,
This pass the right. Beside.
But I think here.
But in here and then the pass. Left. Okay.
Here
okay.
and left.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Ah, wow, thank you
See
very
you
much.
next
Thank you.
time.
Yeah. Wow, people are nice and helpful here, you see, in Indonesia. Wow, these loud motorbikes. I hate them. Ah. Wow, guys, look, kitties relax. Wow, so many cats in Jakarta. Guys, it's crazy how laundries are hidden in Indonesia. It's hard to find. Yeah, but I think it should be somewhere here, where no foreigner step his foot. Oh my god! Guys, I found where Hitler was hiding. He was hiding in Indonesia all this time. And he just transformed into the cat. Yeah, naturally. Oh my god, guys, look, I'm not lying. It's like so many cats, but it's now hot, so they relax. Also looks like woman cat. Whoa, look, another woman cat, maybe. Maybe here laundry. American influence. Hello. Yeah, guys, I can't find. Looks like laundry here. Do you know laundry? This.
Sorry?
Laundry, yeah. Is it here?
No,
No?
here is not laundry.
Ah,
Maybe you have.
maybe inside the house.
Yes. You can go there after you go right, and then maybe there.
Ah,
Because here not laundry.
but maybe in this house.
No.
Ah, dilemma, you know? Maybe I ask.
You can ask.
Yeah. Sure, 1 second. Maybe it's new.
Okay.
I don't know.
You can ask them.
Excuse me, laundry here? Laundry, no? Ah, well, sorry.
Yeah, you were right. I had to believe you. Wow, I just see this, I don't know, on the map.
Oh.
But you say there is some other
yes.
one. Where
You
it
can
is?
go there, but
Uh-huh.
maybe so far, yeah. If walking like this, so far.
Far, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, maybe I'll go to the one I know where.
Okay.
But it's also far, but I know it's there.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Wow, people are very nice. Wow, you see guys, it's a dove. Here, wow, Hitler guys, these birds very nice and quiet. Another cat, crazy.
How are you?
Ah, good. I'm looking for laundry.
Oh, laundry. Bisa. Kembali.
Ah,
Laundry. Bukan rin. Naik. Laundry.
no, it's here.
Ada. Kosong.
But if I don't find, I go to do it in person. Wow, guys, people have many birds. Laundry. Do you know by any chance where laundry?
Laundry. Laundry. Laundry mana?
No laundry here.
Nggak ada laundry. Depan mana di depan? Laundry nggak tahu ya.
No laundry. I just saw on the map. Okay, thank you. Guys, it's crazy. Wow, look guys, basketball you can play here. I can't find laundry here. On the map there is a laundry, but you can't find it. In Indonesia, hard to find the laundry. Wait, maybe it's here. Excuse me, is this laundry? No? No? I can't find. Okay, thank you. Guys, it's crazy, but I can't find laundry again. They're hidden somewhere. You know, or maybe they open then close. Or maybe... Yeah, they need to post some photos, like, you know, how it looks. Because in Indonesia, so many small streets, they have this, like, kind of Soviet system, you know, big wide streets, main streets, and small alleys, you know, but they're very small, like in Japan or something. Oh guys, look, it's interesting place. Maybe metro is going here, I don't know. Oh guys, interesting, some local market, shopping mall. Wow, I like the life is going on, but you know, still you can walk freely, you see. Like in some Asian countries, won't mention them, you can't even walk on the pathway, but here still many people, but you can kind of walk, you know. Yeah, you see they park motorbikes in special place, so there is some order in Indonesia, I like it. Yeah. Wow guys, these things actually kind of heavy, even though they don't look like ones. Oh wow. Yeah, you see guys, even here motorbikes parked, but you still can walk. I like it. Oh my god, look guys, this kitty. Wow, she's like, what they were, also short-tailed. Oh, huh? No, I go laundry. Wow, kiss. Okay, thank you. Wow, finally guys, I found some laundry which shown on Google Maps, right? Setrika. Oh, we call Stirka laundry. Oh, Salamat tank. Can I have laundry? Tomorrow, okay. How much it would cost? When? Tomorrow or today? Well, I can take tomorrow. Huh? Sergey. Sergey. Man. Сейчас. No, then this yeah, E, no, not this E, no, like this one.
Or E.
Sure, maybe I'm right. Wait. Yeah. You have a delivery? Is it delivery?
Translate?
Huh?
Translate Indo.
Like Grab or something? Tomorrow I come here.
Tomorrow, come here.
Why you ask my hotel? You want to come to hotel? Well guys, what I like in Indonesia that even though not everyone speak like perfect English, still you can like, they know numbers, no, you can explain yourself. And yeah, some grandpas only, maybe grannies don't know English, but yeah, you can see many people know English. Wow, you see, some dirt here. Yeah, here it's also popular. Oh wow, you see, she eats this healthy food. And I don't know, it's poop, you see guys, poop in the line, because the bird is sitting like that. Yeah, you see she pooped. Wow, it's like art, you know how to say it. She is making an art. Yeah, I think this is my delivery. Yeah guys, it's crazy, but they have delivery laundry. It's first time in my life I see one. There is a laundry delivery, so tomorrow they'll deliver it to my hotel room. You'll see how it will go. And cost just 36,000. Affordable price. Yeah guys, it's crazy how many cats. Wow guys, don't be offended, I'm saying good and not so good. So in Indonesia, I don't know, there's some like payment, you know, non-cash payment takes so much time. First they like tell their number something, then QR code, they write some numbers, you know. It's not like just you scan QR code or like pay by tap by card, and it's like they type something, numbers, you see, and lines. The workers are good, you know, very polite, work fast, but I don't know what's the reason, but it takes so much time to pay. I think by cash it's much faster. Yeah, you see guys, the guy playing, coming to supermarkets to play. Oh man, I'll give you. Shy, a little. A little, but wow, another guy was there. Wow, you see. Guys, it's Indonesian guitar, yeah? I saw. Yeah, guys, I saw this guitar. Maybe, you know, I remember on YouTube, maybe 10 years ago, there was a very popular fat guy. Sorry if I say fat, no, yeah, big guy. And I guess maybe he was from Indonesia. He was playing this small guitar. You know, he was very famous, like millions of views he was getting. That's how I got to know about this small guitar. Maybe he was from Indonesia. Wow, guys, look. Street art. I like it. Not just like freaking graffiti with no sense, but here this kind of, and no communist propaganda like in Vietnam. Oh wow, these guys, you see, with big guitar now playing. Wow, I wanted to record them, but they finished already. Yeah guys, by the way, I see pretty lots of time people playing chess on the street, so it's like intellectual game. It's very good. In Russia, I think in Soviet times people used to play chess on the street, but now you won't see it at all. So maybe Indonesians will be the next champions. Soviets were very strong in chess, but maybe next will be Indonesians. I wonder what he's selling. But sounds a little bit creepy, you know, like in American movies. These ice cream trucks come to you and then some horror starts. Wow, guys, look, it's kindergarten, good. They have like filled everything. Wow, yeah, but it's kind of creepy to film kids. Yeah.
Mister, it's a laundry, yeah? Yes. How 10,000? Yes. Nice. Thank you. Wow, thank you. Wow, only Indonesia.
Wow, guys, it's crazy. Only in Indonesia you have laundry delivery. You see? Yeah. Wow, smells good. Packed good. It's crazy, guys. Only in Indonesia. Hello, guys, who is here? Oh my god, cats are so good in Indonesia. Are you that same cat? Look how they have these green eyes. Oh yeah, it's a woman cat. Yeah, she likes pets, so petting so much. Wow, she has like this fat. It's very good fat cat. And now it follows me. Maybe she is pregnant. Kitty, I don't want to make videos 40 minutes because of you.